Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 6 at 12 MIPA 8 will present an explanation text entitled Snow. But before we present our explanation text, allow us first to introduce ourselves. The first member is me, Dea Amalia, as speaker 1.
I'm Hasan Abdul Halim as speaker 2.
And I am Raisa Rizky Rahma as speaker 3.
Snow is one of the interesting phenomena when winter arrives. Snow becomes attractive because the ice crystals are so soft and white like cotton. The process of making snow is also very interesting. During the winter, the drops of water that fall from the clouds become solid. You need to know that rain consists of water vapor particles, then the water vapor particles are cooled in the air. And finally, they fall to the earth as soft, white, and crystal-like pieces. And you need to know too, snow only falls in countries that have 4 seasons or in high places such as Mount Jayawijaya in Papua, Indonesia.
Snow begins from weather vapor that gather in the Earth's atmosphere. A bunch of weather vapor then cools to the point of condensation, the point at which the gas turns into liquid or solid form, then coagulates and forms clouds. At the beginning of forming the clouds, its mass is smaller than the mass of the air. So, the clouds float in the air, but once the water vapor continues to gather in the clouds, its mass also increases. So, at some point, the air can no longer hold its mass. Then, the clouds broke and the water particles fall to the earth.
The water particles that fall is pure water not contaminated by other particles. The pure water doesn't freeze directly at the 0 degree of Celsius. To make the pure water freeze required lower temperature than 0 degree of Celsius. However, low temperature doesn't enough to form snow. The particles of pure water need to contaminate with other particles in the air that will make the freezing process faster. Then the pure water will turn into ice crystals. The contaminated particles that involved in this process called nucleator not only has function to make the freezing process faster, but also to tie the water vapor. So, the water particles contaminated one that gathered with the other water particles will form bigger ice crystals. These ice crystals that fall to earth which we call snow. Snow has a unique structure because there is no snow crystal that has the same shape, just like our fingerprint. That's all from us. Hopefully the material can be useful and add insight and knowledge for all of us. Don't forget to click like, and if you guys want to give suggestions for our groups, you can type in the comment column. Thank you for your attention.